sure the measurements are accurate for this wall.
Yes, the schematic says we should run the wiring right up this seam.
That won't interfere with the radiator below.
Based on the blueprints, we can fit 2 here and 2 on the far wall. This corner might be tight for me, so we should shift it slightly towards the window then. Testing the lights now. Looks good, very bright. And cycling off. Is that level yet? Almost. Adjust the back right stabilizer slightly. How about now? Perfect. Lock it down. Check the alignment on the far desk. It's level now, and let's go. This one is secure. We really outdid ourselves this time.
Yeah.
The lighting configuration alone is perfect.
Yeah. The customer is going to love this setup.